History and Philosophy. Proth Industrial Co Limited is a highly reputed manufacturer of precision surface grinders in Taiwan. Since 1980, we have been dedicated to researching and developing the most comprehensive range of surface grinders. It is under the Japanese administration and management of the former general manager. Years ago, the Jiaxing plant in Zhejiang was established, and now its reach has been extended to mainland China. It has obtained many international certifications. Exquisite craftsmanship and aesthetics. The R&D team orchestrates specialized fields of mechanics, electrical control, hydraulics, and grinding processing systems. With the efforts of the R&D team, government, and academia, as well as experienced masters, our mission is to exceed the needs of our customers by creating new and innovative designs through continuous development and pioneering new technologies. With a proud commitment to quality control, our QC engineers use great accuracy and high-quality instruments. Proth surface grinders consistently surpass all the rigorous quality requirements of the European and Japanese markets. The grinding machine that sheds new light. For the past year, we have conducted in-depth research on market demand to continue to improve product functions. And our grinding machines have turned over a new leaf. We have researched and developed the small-sized saddle PSGS series, medium-sized column PSGC series, overarm PSGO series, large double column planer PSGP series, small-sized rotary series, rotary planer PSRP series, CNC series, and the new V30, which is a vertical grinder. The grinding tables are from 150 x 350 millimeters to 1500 x 6000 millimeters, and maximum grinding radius ranges from 400 millimeters to 1500 millimeters to cater to various grinding workpiece needs. We also developed a variety of CNC series and PV7000 processor for the optoelectronic industry, setting a milestone for Proth's sustainable development. Emphasis on professional talent and transcendence. Committed to social contribution, Proth offers efficient, harmonious, and challenge-oriented work environments. The loyalty and devotion of staff of all levels have also contributed to Proth's success in its world-standard grinding craftsmanship and marketing worldwide. In addition to the emphasis on developing our product lines and achieving a better working environment, Proth Industrial Co Limited is dedicated to social and environmental concerns. Proth seeks to provide the best surface grinding machines and expand business to a new horizon.
Yeah!